The video shooting capabilities of this phone is basic.
Outlook.
It can take up to 1080p 30 frames per second using the back cameras, and it has 2 times digital zoom. It also has 4 times digital zoom, but this is just a crop type of video, and expect at 4 times zoom that it will be very shaky. Going back to the regular mode, you can notice here that the quality is quite nice. It is fairly detailed and it has good dynamic range. Autofocus is also considered as respectable. It can easily focus on my watch here. Although my problem is again the stabilization. It does not have EIS unlike the Realme 5i, but that is a small compromise as this phone is not really designed for taking a lot of videos. This is more for gaming and taking photos, and I'm just glad that it has 1080p at 30 frames per second despite its very affordable 6,000 pesos price tag. For selfie videos, the Realme C3 can also do up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, and I'm glad that the crop, even for selfie videos, is not that big. Hello Queenie. That's Queenie. And quality is also nice. It is fairly detailed, although of course the stabilization is not that great, but just acceptable. Remember, this is a budget phone. This is a sub 6,000 peso smartphone, and let's just be glad that it can take decent 1080p selfie videos.